Hello.
Hi, how are you doing?
Oh, I'm fine. What about you?
I am great. I'm great. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for joining the meeting. What's your name?
Yeah, my name is Ashley, and I'm with Tate Digital Marketing, and I'm
Oh,
currently a media buyer. So I go around looking for clients, such specifically for personal injury lawyers, um,
okay.
around in my area. And I look to see if they're looking for any digital services, such as Facebook marketing, TikTok, Google Ads as well. And then I just connect them with the freelancer. So that is
Oh,
what I do from Tate Digital Marketing side. So I'm a media buyer.
okay.
And yeah.
Also, in our country, it's called drop work. I mean, from client to freelancer connect, you just got your revenue, right?
Oh, yeah, yeah, drop work. Okay, okay. Like similar
Yeah,
to like drop shipping.
exactly. If you don't mind,
Gotcha.
could you please open your camera? Actually, it's more helpful.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yep, no worries.